Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by gathering your footage and placing it on the timeline. Import clips into the media library, then create a project with the correct aspect ratio. Once done, drag the two clips you want to split screen onto separate video tracks, one on V1 and the other on V2. Make sure clips align in time where you want simultaneous playback. You do this now so the split screen composition will reflect exact timing and cuts later. Next, apply the split screen template or manually crop and reposition each clip. You select an effect from Effects Utility's Split Screen or use the crop and transform controls to size, halves, or quadrants. Once applied, adjust position and scale so edges align. If motion is needed, set simple keyframes for position and scale. Make sure to add a thin border or mask feather to separate frames visually. This gives a clean, professional look without distorting subjects. Finally, polish audio and visual continuity before export. You should mute or mix tracks so speech doesn't clash, then render a preview to confirm motion and timing. When satisfied, export using a suitable codec and resolution for your platform. If things go wrong, check transform values and reset any clip cropping or reapply the split screen effect to fix alignment. Sometimes scaling differs between clips. Make sure to re-render the preview to verify the final result.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.